Hey, how's it going everybody? And welcome to my new channel on YouTube. This is my first video. If someone new is watching this video, as my speech class know, my name is Kevin Porras. Okay, during this quarantine, I did 3 different videos. These 3 different videos are different, but the first one it's an informative speech about the function of the liver. Okay, let's start. The liver is in the right side of your body, between in the middle of the trunk of your body, and between your waist and your armpit with 10 centimeters in length and 10 and 1.4 and 1.6 kilograms in waste. Detoxify, extract nutrients and stock vitamins, and that's what the liver do. Okay, and what's the liver? The liver is a viscera and an organ to vertebrate beings, in which has an irregular shape, and it has a dark color and red color. Okay, according to hepatic trauma in 2017, the liver processes and breaks down and balance your blood. It also creates nutrients and vitamins and metabolize the drugs that the body can use with being toxic. It has more than 500 vital functions that had been identified. In other words, clears the drugs and the other toxic substance from your body. What does it mean? It is responsible to synthesis of plasma proteins, store vitamins, and remove substances from the blood that are harmful to your body. Right? Okay. How exactly the liver works? Everything that we eat as or drink, as hamburgers, tacos, sodas, water, has different process to decomposition. When food passes through the small intestine, the blood takes all the vitamins and nutrients that the food has. Okay, and this blood passes away with the hepatic vein. This is which is the main connection or the principal connection with the liver. In the liver works create the necessary vitamins and minerals to your body needs, and the others that it doesn't need change to a and it discard as with another organs to explain for example urine and excrement, right? Okay, according to the potential and action mechanisms of polyenols in the treatment of liver disease in 2018, it said that there are many of disease in the liver, right? But the most important disease or that are frequent are, the first one is the virus or of hepatitis B and C. These diseases are the same. It has a little bit different, but it's the same. For example, it has a common is usually to seen in humans, but at the same time it can be reversed, to become again a normal liver. This disease, it could be acquired by infected blood and another person and contaminated by saliva and semen. It could be even though needle stick or sexually contact, right? Okay, the other important disease of your liver it could be the simplify. The simplify is not too much to import, but over the years, if it doesn't attend it, it could be an average and a huge problem for your life, right? Okay, and the last one, and I think the most important, is the cirrhosis. Is the late stage of the liver scarring, and it's caused by many other disease from the liver. For example, such as I mentioned, hepatitis and chronic alcoholism. And the liver could be generated by itself, but if you have something and disease, if you can check it, maybe you will get an cirrhosis, that is the hardest disease from the liver, sorry. Okay, there are some symptoms to get if your liver isn't working good. For example, the first symptoms is yellow of the skin and eyes, abdominal and bloating and abdominal pain, swelling in leg and ankle, skin itch, it's like always are you itching, dark color in urine, pain and bloody stool, and also the chronic fatigue. These also generally these kind of symptoms are usual to know, but it's difficult to be represented on someone because there are different. It's difficult to be reflected on your body because it's too late to someone could be explain it. Okay, according to How Not to Greek Your Liver by Sus Redfern, say what some things that you can avoid or you can do to take care of your liver. For example, don't drink a lot or alcohol. Eat health, and get a regular exercise, and always you have to watch out and for your certain medicine because it's too difficult to deliver and it will be created some fat and it will be to become a cirrhosis. And okay, and this is all for me, and thank you for see you in the next video.